lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this darling little thing is Ruby by Tony at Beverly in Sunset Red. Now when you first put her on, she looks a little wiggy. She may need some help. In fact, you may want to just turn her upside down like I'm doing here and just kind of rake her gently. Check this out. We're gonna use our claw hands, just kind of rake. Make sure you rake the front and the top too, because it's kind of stiff when you first get her out of the box because it's short. It's got kind of a precision cut, so they need to stiffen up the fibers in the factory to make it easier to style. So if you wash it, that'll take care of it, but until then you can do this. Just kind of do that and shake and go. Shaking it up. Now, don't be worried by how fluffy this is going to look, because it's gonna look fluffy for a second. But then I can use my fingers, and again using the claw hands here, to make this turn adorable. I love this sunset red color. I know our blogger Kathleen loves this color. I do too. It's just a very bright, happy, red, gold, copper color. It's gingerlicious, it's fantastic, and surprisingly natural looking for such a bright auburn color. And again, this, I say auburn, but it has auburn in it. It's just auburn and really copper, and the overall effect is that it's a red, coppery, gold color. Gold, red, copper color, whatever. It looks cute. But this is Ruby. Ruby has all of this layering potential that you can do a lot with. You can make it look really cute and tame, or you can fluff her up and really make her look wild, like your head's on fire in a shade like this. I'm gonna tuck some of that behind my ear. This whole thing looks surprisingly natural for such a quirky cut with so much texture and volume and such a bright copper color. It's just surprisingly natural. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 now that I'm done kind of fluffing her up, so you can see what Ruby looks like on all sides. Now Ruby's got some cap features that you probably wouldn't expect. For one thing, she's got a double monofilament top. So she's really smooth and silky on top. That's fantastic. Also, no perm tease. All of this body is due to the texture. So you can flatten her down a little bit if you like, or you can fluff her up like I did. But she does have a lot of hair on her too, which makes it kind of hard actually to see those monofilament features. But they are there, and they're very well done. Let me go ahead and show you the rest of the cap since this is already off my head. Open wefts on the side and in the back with an open extended nape. She adjusts with a hook and closure back here. This wig is quite stretchy, especially for one that has a double monofilament top. She's really comfortable on. This one fits true to size, so she's a little snug on me. And here I'll smooth her down a little bit so you can see what she looks like when she isn't fluffy, in case you like her better that way. So there you have it. So this is Ruby by Tony at Beverly, and this color is Sunset Red. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully you've subscribed to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of them. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.